Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping into your backyard and being wrapped in the warmth of rustic charm. The gentle creak of a weathered wooden swing. The soft glow of string lights dancing overhead. The earthy scent of lavender and aged wood mingling in the evening air. This is more than just an outdoor space. It's a sanctuary where time slows down and every detail tells a story. Today we're exploring over 100 cozy rustic farmhouse backyard garden ideas that blend affordable DIY creativity with undeniable luxury charm. The beauty of rustic farmhouse design lies in its authenticity and warmth. Picture reclaimed wood pergolas draped with twinkling lights, vintage furniture pieces given new life with fresh paint and cozy cushions, galvanized metal planters overflowing with herbs and flowers. These elements don't just create visual appeal, they create feeling. The comfort of well-worn materials, the nostalgia of vintage finds, the pride of DIY transformation. You'll discover how simple materials like pallet wood, galvanized containers, and thrifted treasures can be transformed into stunning focal points. Imagine a fire pit area surrounded by log stumps for seating, where friends gather under stars. Envision a dining space featuring a long farmhouse table made from reclaimed planks, where laughter flows as freely as lemonade on summer afternoons. Picture quiet corners with vintage swings and reading nooks where morning coffee tastes better and evening reflections run deeper. The magic happens in the details-layered textures of burlap, linen, and weathered wood. The warm glow of Edison bulbs and mason jar lanterns. The softness of plaid throws and floral cushions. Strategic pops of greenery in terracotta pots and galvanized buckets. These thoughtful touches create that expensive, curated look without the luxury price tag. Rustic farmhouse style embraces imperfection as beauty. That chippy paint finish tells a story. The weathered wood has character. The mismatched chairs create eclectic charm. This design philosophy celebrates authenticity over perfection, comfort over formality, and soul over status. Now, imagine which of these ideas speaks to your heart. Do you envision intimate gatherings around a crackling fire pit? Perhaps peaceful mornings in a cozy reading nook surrounded by climbing roses? Or maybe lively dinners under a pergola strung with lights? Your rustic farmhouse retreat should reflect how you want to live, not just how it looks. Think about the feelings you want your outdoor space to evoke, the comfort of coming home to somewhere beautiful, the joy of hosting loved ones in a space that feels both special and welcoming, the peace of having a personal retreat where stress melts away. These aren't just design choices, they're lifestyle choices that enhance your everyday life. Remember, creating your dream outdoor space doesn't happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. Start with one corner, one project, one weekend at a time. Let each small transformation inspire the next. Before you know it, you'll have created something truly special, a rustic farmhouse habit that's uniquely yours. If these ideas have sparked your imagination and you're ready to begin your own rustic farmhouse transformation, we'd be honored if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. Join our growing community of dreamers and creators who believe beautiful outdoor living is possible for everyone. Now, settle in and enjoy the inspiration as we journey through over 100 cozy rustic farmhouse backyard garden ideas that will leave you eager to grab your tools and start creating your own affordable luxury outdoor paradise.